right, continuing with this circle game and moving on to question 2. We have a question specific condition. So if L sits immediately next to P. All right, so I'm just going to start with that piece of information. I don't know what else is going on exactly, but L is next to P. I know that on the other side of P, I'm going to have N. And on the other side of L, I will have to have M because N is not available. Okay. Beside M, I cannot have K. And the only players left to place are O and K. So O would have to be on that side of M, and K will be on the other side. Okay. So I'll make sure that I'm following all of the rules here, even though I use the rules to create this world. But okay, so P and N are next to each other. L and M are next to each other. M and K are not next to each other. O and P are not next to each other. O and M are next to each other, but that's okay because O and P are not. All right. So we don't know if this circle goes clockwise or counterclockwise, right? Either way is fine. And we don't know if the number 1 in the circle is M, L, P, and it could be any of them. But we do know that this is generally what the sequence is going to be. Just not sure if it's backwards or forwards. The question is asking which one of the following is a pair of representatives who must sit immediately next to each other. And the correct answer is A. So whether that goes OK or KO, it's still going to work. L and N are not next to each other. L and O are not next to each other. M and N are not next to each other. And M and P are not next to each other. So I can eliminate the remaining answer choices.